It's Thursday, June 19th. In the headlines, the opposition bemoans the ongoing teacher migration that is affecting the island. Senior official says the Education Ministry is moving to strengthen literacy support. In business news, the Bank of Jamaica says remittances are up. Regionally, St. Lucia's Prime Minister, Philip J. Pierre, advocates regional unity at 77th Organization of the Eastern Caribbean States Authority meeting. And in sports, sprint legend Usain Bolt is officially named a Guinness World Records icon. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.